Hi, I'm Christer. I'm part of Snuti, and I'm working on my own little game, and I want to show a little bit of how that's going. Well, at the moment, we are calling it Carrots from Heaven. Not sure if it's going to be a proper game yet or not. I'm just trying to get familiar with C# and learning Unity. And for a little while, I called it Solely, but wasn't cute enough. Carrots from Heaven seems a bit cuter. This game had initially a proper game plan, and yeah, written out lots of different stuff. But as I've been progressing and trying to learn and explore the game, it's been changing a lot. So this is where I'm at right now. It's basically you're a little rabbit, and you shoot carrots, and little purple gorillas come through a space-time warp, and you attack them because, you know, things coming through a breach is kind of dangerous. So I just want to explore like fighting and shooter mechanics, hitboxes and stuff like that with this type of game. I'll just launch it up now so we can see what's going on here. A portal opens and through comes the purple gorilla. He leaves a miasma behind him, and you shoot carrots. When you're shooting, you move a bit slower, and the plan is that when you move onto this miasma, you're supposed to lose health. Haven't quite gotten that far yet. Once you've completed a wave of enemies, a monolith appears with different power-ups, and you can choose between which power-up you want to have. Now, I want to explain what these power-ups are with some text on the screen or something. I'm trying to be very minimalistic with the interface. I'm probably going to get rid of the experience bar up here. I don't quite like it. And that's also why I went with like a monolith instead of just having 3 buttons on the screen. Choose a power-up. At the moment, the power-ups don't really do anything, but I can imagine that the carrot icon would give me more carrot power. Well, I'm going to spawn the next wave by going on the evil button. Wave 2, we have 2 enemies. They take 5 hits each. What they're spawning when they die, that's like little experience beads. And you heal up when you reach the next level, but I think I'm going to get rid of that and do something else with it. Kind of like the beads, but maybe they just heal you. Forget the experience and levels. The game has just been exploration and fun and figuring out how to make things, and I've been changing it all the time as I've been working. Whoa. I don't have much power right now, and fighting 5 enemies could be a bit dangerous. There's a little knockback when you shoot them, and they trying to make their attacks like seem very visible where you can get hit and dodge. See, I take a bit of health if I end up being inside their storm. I've completed 3 waves. In this area I only set up 3 waves for the time being. So I'm just testing things, and you get to choose your final ability, which doesn't do anything yet. Camera is really buggy, but we'll get to working that bit better. Just press that, and it just shows us that we're going to progress to the next area. I was working on this water shader. That was a lot of fun using Unity's new shader graph system. So doesn't look quite like water yet, but almost. It's bloomy and glowy. And here, a bit more of a woody area, going from the desert. It's going to be probably another breach up here where we spawn some enemies. That's not happening now. So that's kind of how far I am at the moment. Still a lot to do here. To get this game going, what I've been doing, I've been using some asset packs. So I could focus on the development. I used the low poly ultimate pack and the low poly animals. So let's take the rabbit from here and hooking him up, and the gorilla. He looks more purple in my version. So yeah, I think we could try to tweak the script a little bit and see if we can get more enemies spawning. Shall we just see what... Let's go with 50 enemies which have 10 health for wave 1. Alright, now that would be chaotic. Whoa, I'm lagging a little bit. Maybe I need to optimize some code in here. Runs alright now. You can run through the enemies. That's quite intentional, but you're in danger of losing a lot of health like I'm doing right now. But yeah, the Unity nav mesh system seems to work really well, and setting goals and making them chase the rabbit and stop when they are in attack range. Not sure what happens when I die at the moment. Let's see. Yeah, I die and they all just cluster to the center of the map. Well, seems alright. Yeah, there's some work to be done here. I'm really looking forward to getting more power-ups in so I could actually... Oh yeah, I can... I can keep shooting while I'm dead. And you can see all the gorillas turning into ghosts, like we are helping them by feeding them carrots, pass on to the next life. That's a lot of gorillas. Thanks for watching. It's been fun sharing this video, and I'll see you next time.